Hey, my name's Arya and I'm the creator of Lineupz. In this video, I'm going to show you how any Marlboro Rec basketball coach can use Lineupz to manage their schedule and easily create lineups for their team. To start, click on the plus button in the top right corner and select Add Team. This will take a few seconds to load. Once the page opens up, select your team gender, enter in your coach name, select the team grade and team name, and once you click save, the team will save into the page. Now, I already have a team created for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to go in right there. The first thing you should do when you create a team is enter in your team's roster. And you can do this by going into the players page and adding a new player. Enter in the player name, email address, phone number, offensive position, defensive position, and player rating. Once you have a complete roster, go back into Team Options and go into the Schedule and Lineups page. Here you can access your entire schedule, which is loaded directly from the Marlboro Rec basketball website based on your team information. In this page, you can either delete a game or add a game, where you can enter in the venue, opposing team, and date time. Once you have a completed schedule, go into one of the games and you will be presented with all the options that you have. First, you can check the game's information, where you can see the location, opposing team, and date time. When you want to create a lineup, the first thing you need to do is tell the app which players are going to be attending. You go into the players list, and as you can see here, all the players are set to available, but you can toggle each player's availability by clicking on their row, and you can see that you can either select available, unavailable, attending first half, or attending second half. When you finish up the availability page, go into the lineup page where you will be presented with the lineup interface. To swap out two players in the lineup interface, click on the first player, which will be highlighted in red, and click on the second player, and they will be immediately swapped out. Here you can see an incomplete lineup because the title of the page is incomplete, and some players are playing too many, while others are playing too few periods. You can see that a player is playing too many periods because on the left of the row, you see a minus sign. A minus sign indicates that a player must be playing fewer periods than what they're playing already. On the other hand, if a player has a plus on the left of the row, this indicates that they're not playing enough periods and must be playing more periods. You can switch the lineups for each individual period by selecting the lineup on the top row. To auto-generate a lineup, click on the auto-generation button on the top right, and you will be immediately presented a completed lineup. You can tell that this is a complete lineup because there are check marks on the left of each player row, indicating that each player is playing enough periods, and the title of the page is complete. Once you have a completed lineup, you can send your lineup, which creates a text representation of the lineup along with a table. You can also send email and SMS reminders to each player with opposing team, date, time, and location. If you don't have enough players, you can add pool players, as you can see there, or remove the pool players. And lastly, you can reset the lineup whenever you need. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and thanks for using Lineupz, and I hope it helps.